Even when I ain't close, I love you.
They're the trio behind this familiar track.
That's my Usos. That's my Usos.
Three Samoan boys born and bred in Otara are making their mark in the music industry.
I didn't have many friends growing up, but I was blessed to have a Uso, my brother Face.
Now based in Sydney, Standard has made a return to their home turf of Auckland with some more projects up their sleeve.
Feels good. Yeah, because of COVID, we've been stuck in Australia, haven't been able to come back ever since we started releasing music. So to come home to the place that we obviously represent proudly in all of our music so far, it's kind of like a full circle feeling, I guess.
Since 2019, they've accumulated a few singles under their belt, and they credit their talent to their Pacific heritage.
We're all full Samoan, so it influences everything that we do in music, how we consume music growing up. The whole reason why we even got into music is because of our cultural backgrounds, especially, you know, like just at the kongais, like someone brings out the guitar and then, yeah, the whole family's jamming. So, yeah, it's everything.
Beneath their music are uplifting messages that have made significant impacts across the communities they represent, specifically their most popular song, Uso.
That's my Usos. That's my Usos. That's my Uso. I love you.
Once we started, like, it was so easy for us to write our verses, I guess, because it was so like true. Like what we do when we get beats is like trying to like just feel how like the track makes us feel as a listener. And so when I was listening to that song, it kind of made me emotional. 2019, that was like kind of like the peak of drill back then. So there's a lot of music that was about all of this other stuff. So I was thinking, and I was like, man, like this is a good time to maybe make a song about the love we have for our brothers.
It was something that we kind of felt like everyone could relate to. So when it did blow up, more than anything, we were just like overwhelmed, like, you know, real grateful that people listen to our music.
Come. We'll do the vocals.
With more music on the way, Standard hope to continue to inspire people with their new album, Yours Truly, making its debut this year.
Like we had that My Uso phase and we dropped our EP, and it was kind of like, you know, like a poly-urban mix with a bit of soul. And I guess like for us, music is the focus, and it's like the passion. It's what we all love. Like this next project and Yours Truly is a part of like our album, which is coming up. We try to challenge ourselves musically. So we try to like evolve and kind of not sound the same as we were in 2019, and we just want to challenge ourselves musically.